Welcome to Advik's Playhouse. Today we have a new marble race game. First, we'll assemble its blocks and then we'll play with it. Let's see how the box looks. Let's open it quickly, bring out all the building blocks and assemble it. We have an instructions book in that, a bunch of stickers. This is the step-by-step guide to assemble the game and the base on which we will be building our game. Let's quickly open and start building. There are total more than 100 pieces with the help of which we'll be assembling our game. Let's start building. Our game is ready. Let's put the flag on it. Let's put some stickers on our game. We have two balls. One is purple in color and other one is pink in color. Let's put the balls on the track and see how it goes. Let's see which ball reaches the finish line first. The pink ball is ahead of purple ball. I think pink ball is going to win the game. Oh no, the purple ball has finished first. Let's play again and see who wins. Both the balls are giving competition to each other. Let's see who finishes first. The pink ball is ahead of purple. This time pink ball is the winner. Let's play it one more time. Again, both the balls are giving competition to each other. The pink is ahead. Again, the pink finished first. And our winner is the pink ball. Subscribe to Advik's Playhouse. We'll meet in a new video with a new game. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning and happy playing.